Today's the day. I've been in the market for rooftop tents for months, and I finally found a really good, gently used clamshell style rooftop tents because they're really low profile, and where I park right now, it's kind of hard to fit like a 12-inch or 13-inch tall tent. So we found exactly what we needed. I brought Jarek with me because these things are heavy. They're like 160 pounds or something, and if you guys saw any of the other videos, this guy can lift. So we're gonna get this on the roof. Let's go. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the house. I think that's not it. That is not our rooftop tent. Nice truck, though.
Yeah, it's standard.
Yeah.
All right, so you're gonna get a lot of the weight for a little bit. Right?
Oh, yeah. You good, Cassie?
Yep. All right, around the rail.
That was easier than I thought.
Yeah, so then it's just a matter of squaring it up, getting this to the point where you can open up your rear hatch.
Good? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously we don't have a fixed spot yet, so
Yeah.
we'll probably have to slide it forward a little bit.
I see. Did I get it? Yeah. Still?
Wash it on.
All right, guys, we'll be right back. So we made it back from Home Depot. Here's the new setup. Like you can see right there. We went with 2-inch bolts versus 3-inch bolts, and that threading is gonna be perfect on here. All right, look at that. Cool. Okay, so we're now in the sunroof. This is what it looks like. Check that out. The only issue I'm having with this Hooke Road roof rack right here is this bracket is ever slightly too short for it, so I'm kind of out of luck. We're driving without the this thing mounted. It's rattling a little bit. We're going pretty slow, so I think we should be all right. We're at Home Depot. We're picking up 4 of these 12-inch mending plates. They're a little too long, but whatever. We're back at it. So like you guys can see here, we're gonna utilize these 2 holes, this one and this one, because they're like almost right next to each other. And we just have all this extra metal hanging off. So we're gonna use these 2 and hopefully we'll be good after. We're in business, Jarek.
There we go.
Oh, thank God. Sweet. Cool. It's a Home Depot fix, y'all, but it's gonna hold up. 5 inches. 6 inches.
So it needs to be 5 inches each, I'm guessing?
Yeah, it looks like 5 inches on like any given side. 5. 5. 5. 5. All right, we're good. And we're gonna get those last 2 brackets right here. And this thing is pretty much good to tighten up. So the best place to mount a rooftop tent is in the Home Depot parking lot. Just kidding, this sucks.
Oh, oh no. Oh no.
Did it open?
Yeah, you have a lot of room still.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I think you pushed it too far forward now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
No.
Let me help you lift it.
Oh, no.
Here, let me help you.
All right, now I can redo this back. Hey, we're getting somewhere. But hand tight is tight. Just kidding. There they are. Now is tighten every single nut. Why did I buy these? All right, guys, we've been here for a minute, but we finally got everything tightened down. It looks pretty secure. I'm really excited to open this up later, see how it looks, hook the ladder up and actually crawl in, see if I like it, which hopefully I do. We're gonna go hit the highway for the first time with this mounted on the roof. I hope it goes well. Something I'm gonna have to get used to. Oh, is that. That's crazy seeing that above.
Oh my god.
All right, what do you think, Dad?
So big.
Guys, it's pretty massive. Check that out. It's a really fat rooftop tent. You want to see how you get in? It's a really easy setup, right? Should be an easy setup.
Uh-oh, you need tools?
No, it's fine.
No. There you go. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, let's live there tonight.
Ah. Then here's your ladder.
How come you're selling it?
Huh? Oh, you bought a different one. There you go.
Oh, it's a cool setup.
That's it.
Wow.
Then go up.
What's the maximum
Weight capacity on the ladder.
Oh my.
Ta-da!
Yeah, so if you're...
Yeah, you can have the screen or you can go all black
Wow.
down.
It can fit 2 people?
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. You wanna try it?
Did you try going up here, Jared?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Here's some more people.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Come on up, Jarek.
Sick.
Not bad, huh?
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
All right, later, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to see how dark it gets in here.
It gets pretty dark.
Oh, this is that fully?
Oh yeah, that has a drop down right there.
Over here.
Yeah. So you drop it down from the outside.
Ah, that's cool.
But all right.
It's pretty nice in here. And a sunny day if you want to see some sun now.
I'm having a little trouble latching this thing. It doesn't want to close, and I'm really disappointed. I don't know what it's gonna take, if I have to like tie something to it or like maybe just get a whole new latch system altogether. Who knows? But this is a bummer. This thing is giving me so much trouble. I can't get it to latch. Even if I pull down on this thing as hard as I can, like, this thing will not come up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Dremel this out. I give up. Before I started dremeling, my dad had the amazing idea of me to just stand up here, put some weight on it, and then latch it. This should work.
You have to use your other hand.
Maybe try the other one first.
What if I just sit?
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, this is crazy.
Or gain more weight.
I need to gain weight, Jarek. Come on, coach.
Still not.
How's it looking?
Try this other one. Maybe the other side is easier, Francis.
Okay.
Like on the edge.
Later. So I did a little something to make the tent easier to open and close. I added these latches from Amazon, and they're adjustable height, right? Like you can tighten or loosen these nuts depending on the height that you need, and it comes with a nice little lock nut too. So it just stays in place. But check this out. With that, it's really just as easy as this. So you reach up, give it a pull, and you're good. One more time on this side. We're good. And then watch this. When I pull this up, it lifts up quite a bit. So that right there was the last little bit that I needed help closing, right? Because it's just so... Yeah, it was just a little too much, but now we're good. Yep, and again, guys, it's literally just as simple as this. Let the struts do the rest. Oh yeah. This is the most important measurement right here. How close am I to hitting this? Huh, cool. I have another about 7.5 inches from the top of the garage, which is nice. So here we are. We're cutting this 12-inch mending plate down about this much. I cut one and it's looking really good, right? So we're cutting about, I don't know, what is that? About maybe 4 inches off. So we're stuck with just this much. It doesn't rub. We got one installed already. We're good to go. So I'm gonna cut up the second one. Safety first. All right, guys, we're gonna muscle this through. And we're good. There we are with the shortened mending plates. It's definitely not touching the next crossbar now, so we're good. Good to go. Oh yeah. All right, and here we have it. Here is the tent. I am posted up outside the mall right now, guys. I'm gonna do a little bit of work from the tent while I wait for my friends to have dinner. But alrighty, y'all, that wraps it up for this rooftop tent install. I think this is really, really worth it, especially on a Cayenne. I mean, I can literally go anywhere. This mattress is so comfy. And I just tossed some white sheets on here, so I'm gonna try to keep that clean. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And until next time, peace.